Let's go. That lefty tapping, shake that lefty tapping, 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 shake that lefty tapping, girl. Bring it back and drop it, girl.
Okay. Hey y'all, so I'm back again with another video. Today I'm gonna be installing this wig. I purchased this wig from Uneely, something hair. Y'all, so this hand I did already. This hand I'm gonna do a video on, so that's why I don't have nails on this hand. But y'all, this is the wig. I watercolored her. I'm gonna insert some clips. I didn't finish blow drying it because y'all, this was not because of me. The track is coming out. Like, what wig has the track coming out? Just got it. But so that's a con. And also y'all, it was a short like piece in the front, not baby hair short, like bang short. So I have no clue what is going on, but it is 20 inches. It's almost dry, so I'll work on it. And if y'all see me looking down, because I'm in the mirror, it looked like on. But I'm gonna go in with this even lace tint since I did buy it. You know, I'm gonna go in and just spray the inside of it. I'm gonna do a little light spray because it is kind of brown already. So I'm gonna put this bad boy on. I forgot to cut the lace off in the back, but it should be straight. Oh man, y'all, it bled through a little bit right there. Okay, so you can kind of see the wig cap through it. Gotta kind of pull it down a little bit, but this is how she's looking because I'm icy wifey. Okay, this wave right here though with it makes me look foreign. The straight, I don't know, I might have to put some curls in it. But so I learned this technique from, I think her name is Ori. I don't know her whole name, but I'll try to link her down below. But what she do is she uses some translucent powder and traces where the frontal is so she know where to glue down. So baby, that's what I'm gonna go ahead and do. And I'm gonna go grab some scissors real quick, so I'll be right back. Y'all, this is my first time doing color. Like, can you say nerve-wracking? Okay, let me find it. Here go a little brush right here. Can't use the good stuff, you know what I'm saying? This is the Black Radiance Loose Setting Powder in the color Banana. Not my color. I don't think this is how she did it. Okay. It's really dusty. It looks like I'm doing magic over here. Alright, so I'm gonna cut the lace into 3 different sections, so it's easier to work with, or 4 different sections. Boom. And then I'm gonna cut around the ear. This is the hardest part, y'all. I think I did. Okay. There's another side. right, next step. I'm gonna go with my Bold Hold Active. Seems like we haven't this one for as long as she stay on with us. Okay, I can kind of see where the glue's supposed to go. I'm gonna do 2 layers and then I'm gonna come back, y'all. So the lighting is definitely much better this way, you know, in front of the window, this and that. But I'm kind of starting to get impatient, so I'm gonna go ahead and glue this bad boy down, tie her down, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, so she definitely fell back. So I'm just gonna put this into the glue, y'all. Y'all, so I'm gonna let this sit for a while and then I might beat my face. That's what I'm thinking about doing. And maybe blow dry this some more and straighten it, and then I'll be back, y'all. So yeah, it's kind of growing on me, y'all. I kind of like it. Listen, I'm kind of scared because I don't really do color like that, but especially gray or silver, I should say. So just keep watching, I guess, and we'll see how it turns out together. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm not sure what it's gonna turn out like. Oh, and whenever I straighten and blow dry, I'm gonna use the silk, bio silk one, the bio silk, to get this bad boy silky. As you can see, it's kind of dry, but once I put that on there, it's gonna take it up a notch. So I'll be back, y'all. Hey y'all, so I'm back or whatever. So this is it lightly straightened, and I'm gonna do the big reveal, y'all. I'm so nervous, like, but hey, you can't walk around with that lace on, so okay. Put it back up in the ponytail. All right, now let's cut this lace. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Okay, maybe, okay, you know what I'm gonna do? Because this was looking very ugly. I'm gonna fix this. I'll be back. I gotta fix that. All right, y'all, so this is how the hair came out, y'all. I totally love it, y'all. Like this right here. Okay, the curl's kind of falling. Hair don't really hold a curl that well. This kind of need a little bit of help, but y'all, this is cute. I'm so glad my best friend told me to do this color, because I was not about to do this color, but this color is cute. Like, I'm totally feeling it. I look like an Instagram baddie, okay? I really do. Now, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it, y'all. I think I really am gonna get more into like hair and watercolor and stuff like that. Like, I never thought I would be doing it. And once again, this is a 13 by 6, 150% density, 613 wig from Uneely hair. So yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for my next video, and period, okay? And yeah, so I'm really feeling this, y'all, as y'all can tell. Like, who is she? Who said dark skins can't wear blondes? Who can't wear silver? Who said that? Who said that? Let me know who said that, because I'm gonna prove them wrong, period, okay? Period. Okay, y'all, anyway, okay. Sorry, I had a little excerpt of energy. But yeah, stay tuned for my next video. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. I really appreciate all my subscribers. Thank y'all for watching my videos. Anybody who likes my videos, I really appreciate that. So, toodles!